Hey everyone, this is a more advanced version of the how to make a fire alarm tutorial I made a while back, like a month ago. This is how to make your time last the entire fire alarm period. So take the audio device and sequencer. So in the speaker, copy these settings. Feel free to pause the screen or whatever. You can change the audio selection to whatever you want. I chose this because it works the best. I tested a ton of different ones out. This is the one I like the most, so yeah, just copy the rest of these settings. Now for the sequencer device, you need to copy the settings. So infinite is what you really need. That's one of the most important things you need. So once you have that, depending on what your audio selection is, depends on the size of the sequencer you need. And then the channels are what you need, the same for the button device. So for me, it's channel 1 and 2. For you, it's whatever free channels you had in the previous tutorial. Now just place the audio device into the sequencer for the speaker near the beginning of the sequence so that it plays instantly, and then start the game. And as you can tell, the sound is going off forever. You can try to hide the sequence itself from like bushes or something. I'm not really sure. Like, I looked through the settings and I couldn't find it. Maybe I'm just, blind, but you guys could check that out and see. So I would not recommend 3D headphones turned on for this, because when you're looking away from the device, it will not play a sound. So just kind of play around with it. So yeah, then of course when you turn off the fire alarm, everything stops, the sound stops. So yeah, hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.